overall, we've had great growth with our partners. We've experienced anywhere from 25 to 30% in revenue growth. But I really would like to maybe focus on one specific partner that we have today. I'd like to go back to when we started with them in 2010 and a lot of the conversations that we had with their leadership team. And specifically, I'd like to talk about the CFO conversation that I had. He brought to my attention during some of our meetings that they were very concerned about their net profit bottom line. They were really looking at a lot of dollars that they were losing at that point, anywhere from $400,000 to $1 million. And in this industry, that's a lot of money to be losing. He was very concerned about what that looked like for their hospital and the future for their home care agency. They said, this is something we really have got to put a lot of attention on. We've got to turn this around immediately. And we knew that that's what we were set out to do when we had those meetings. We took our first patient December 2010. We went in with a focus of a lot of critical key areas that we knew we could get immediate results on. But there was a lot of focus that needed to happen in order to turn this around. Within about 4 months of our partnership, from starting with Genesis Health System in 2010, so we're now 4 months, which would mean we're at about the April point of our partnership. We sat down at our very first quarterly meeting that we would have with them. And at that point, I asked for the CFO to please attend this meeting. I really wanted to be able to deliver some great news on what we had done. At that point, we were able to deliver a distribution check to their leadership team for a turnaround that we had done for their agency of $400,000 that we could deliver. Now that meant actually that we did a turnaround of $800,000 within 4 months.